How to apply for jobs on Indeed. The first thing you want to do is come onto the Indeed website and just make sure you are logged into your account. Next up, you want to be on this page here where you can search for jobs, and you just want to put in what job you actually are looking for. So let's just say I was looking to work in a warehouse. I'll just click here. And you also want to choose your location. So I've just chosen London for this one, but obviously you want to choose the area where you live. You then want to choose find jobs here. It will then take you to this page here and show you all the types of warehouse jobs in London. So you can change all these filters to customize it how you like. So if you want it within 25 miles of this location, for example, you choose 25, or you want it less, you can choose less. So customize all these filters to match what you need, and then when you've found a job that you like, you just want to click on it like this, and you'll be able to see a bit about it here. And then when you're ready to apply, you just want to select apply now here. Then open a new tab like this, and it will ask you to fill in your contact information if you haven't yet filled it in. If you have already filled it in, you will still need to fill in some details, and then after you have filled all that out, you will have applied for a job on Indeed, and hopefully they'll end up contacting you a little bit after to start the interview phase. So that is how you can apply for jobs on Indeed. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.